Oh, looking a bit different in the jungle garden today. Look at it. Things are dying, but I believe that they will bounce back. Look at that. Oh, getting there. The sound of it crunching underneath the bark. Look at that. Ooh. I'm hoping that I have covered everything properly and there isn't going to be any problems, because I put straw up there, barked everything. Fingers crossed, things will be okay. That's the plan. Hopefully things will be okay. Ooh. And how are the chickens? Chickens okay? Jig Jog's okay? Bit chilly? Yeah. Yeah. Getting there slowly. Yeah. So hopefully this will melt down at some point and everything will be fine. Look at the green finger over there, or the fatsia. The green finger here. Oh, the cannas looking like they're drooping now. Cannot wait for all this to grow though. But yeah, if you like this, send me a like and a follow and subscribe. Speak to you soon.